Okay, we're going to talk about one of my favorite parts of the Marklo calendar, which is the goals tracker, and you'll find it up here. But what you need to do is click on that. If I'm setting a goal for January 2027, for example, what I would do is edit my goals over here and looking at how I performed a year ago, make a decision on, do I want to be flat to last year? Maybe I want to grow by 20%. You can move the slider to the level that you want it to be. Similarly for gross profit, maybe you have a goal to be slightly stronger on gross profit, and then you just click update goals. And then you'll see in your calendar this bar with your end of month goal to the right and a percent to goal number over here. And as you continue each day to drive revenue, you'll see this number increase as you get closer and closer to hitting 100% of your goal for the month. So this is often the first thing we look at every morning when we open Marklo. Enjoy the goal tracker, and I hope it provides some motivation and some joy to you today.